How to fix apps won't open on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Your apps might not open due to various issues such as it might crash instantly or might have been freezed. So go ahead and force close the app that you are facing issue with along with all the apps running in the background by simply swiping up and exiting the app. Further, reopen the app and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can help you fix in majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and tap on general and then on software update. Further, go ahead and install any update available, as update often fixes app compatibility issues. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, make sure that you have enough storage space, as if your storage is full, apps may not open. So you can go ahead and delete unused apps or large videos if needed. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on your profile picture on the top right of your screen and scroll down, and you will see the Update All option. Go ahead and update all the apps, and this will ensure that the apps run smoothly. If not, then simply go ahead and on your home screen navigate to the app that you were facing issue with and tap hold on the app. You will see the remove app option, tap on that and then tap on delete and delete the app, and then reinstall the app from your app store, and this will give the app a fresh restart. To see if that helps, and if not, then the last resort is open settings again and then tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Here, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. Further, enter your passcode and reset all settings. Do not worry, this will not delete your photos or apps, but will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and settings, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix apps won't open on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.